Hi, welcome to this video. We're going to guide you through how to use conditional formatting with formulas in Excel. Conditional formatting with formulas is one of Excel's most powerful features. It lets you look at a cell or an entire row and say, if this complex math equation or logical test is true, turn this cell green. Unlike standard rules like highlight text containing urgent, using a formula allows you to format cells based on values in other cells, highlight entire rows, or use complex logical tests like and, or, and, not. So no matter what formula you use, the process to apply it in Excel is always the same. Select your target data, right? Open the rule manager and select the formula option and enter your formula and choose your styling. Okay, so for example, right, the absolute trickiest part of Excel formulas in conditional formatting is mastering absolute referencing, right? Because Excel evaluates the formula for every single cell in your selection. You have to log down rows or columns depending on what you want to achieve, right? So let's say I'm going to highlight an entire row based on one cell, right? Now, I'm going to select A2, for example, A2, sorry, A2, E100, right? Or from E100, okay, to A100, right? Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to go ahead to format, right? Below, we're going to tap conditional formatting. And you can apply to range here by typing manually or select that range, right? So if you want to add another range, you can just go ahead and click the grid kind of icon and press add another range. For example, E100, example, A50, right? And hit OK. Or automatically it will be selected for you. So if you select from E100 to, or E101 to A101, then it will be typed here. But if you want to add another ranges, you can just go ahead and add another range inside. So you can also format cells as not empty. Text contains, date is before, date is after, greater than, less than, greater than, or equal to, etc. Right? And you can also select the formatting style. If you want it to be bold, right, or laid, I call it the laid back font. If you want to add highlight, right, or if you want to just add a scratch, right, to indicate that that is not irrelevant, and then hit done. So basically that's it. Consider liking this video, subscribe, it really helps with the channel.